Welcome back to the Life of Amy June. If you're new here, I'm Amy and I share productivity, planning, and organization tips to help you build a life that actually feels balanced and stress-free. Today, we're doing something I think everyone needs, a mid-month reset. Because let's be honest, halfway through the month, the motivation dips, plans shift, and sometimes life just lifes. So here's how I check in, refocus, and get back on track without the guilt. Step 1. Reflect, but don't judge. The first thing I do is look back at the goals I set at the beginning of the month. And instead of judging myself for what didn't happen, I simply observe. Ask yourself, what have I actually accomplished so far? What fell off my radar and why? This gives you clarity without adding pressure. You can't fix what you don't acknowledge. Step 2. Reprioritize what still matters. Next, I look at what's still realistic for the rest of the month. Some goals can roll over, others can wait for the next month. Circle your top 3 priorities and let go of the rest. Remember, focus creates progress, not perfection. Step 3. Reset your schedule. Then I realign my schedule with what matters now. That might mean adjusting work blocks, adding time for self-care, or removing things that no longer serve me. Your calendar should feel supportive, not suffocating. Step 4. Do one small action. To finish, I do one quick win. Maybe it's clean my workspace, organize my inbox, or plan tomorrow's top 3 tasks. It's a small action that builds momentum and reminds your brain, we're back, baby. Falling off track doesn't mean you failed. It just means you're human. A mid-month reset is your chance to pause, realign, and move forward with intention. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity routines just like this one. And tell me in the comments, what's one thing you're resetting this month? Thank you so much for being here with me today. I appreciate you all so very much, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye!